Apple. Apple.
Apples are colorful and tasty.
Banana. Banana.
Peel the yellow banana.
Orange. Orange.
Oranges are orange and refreshing.
Mango. Mango.
Mangoes are juicy and tropical.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Slice the pineapple.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Strawberries are small, red, and delicious.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Watermelons are big and perfect for summer.
Grapes. Grapes.
Grapes can be red, green, or purple.
Peach. Peach.
Peaches are fuzzy and sweet.
Pear. Pear.
Pears are green and have a nice texture.
Plum. Plum.
Take a bite of the purple plum. It's sweet and juicy.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Kiwis are small and packed with vitamin C.
Blueberry. Blueberry.
Blueberries are rich in antioxidants.
Raspberry. Raspberry.
Enjoy the red raspberries. They're juicy and delicious.
Blackberry. Blackberry.
Blackberries are sweet and often used in desserts.
Cherry. Cherry.
Cherries are red and have pits inside.
Avocado. Avocado.
Avocados are green and used in salads or as a spread.
Lemon. Lemon.
Lemons are yellow and used in cooking.
Lime. Lime.
Slice the green lime. It's tart and refreshing.
Grapefruit. Grapefruit.
Grapefruits are known for their bitter-sweet taste.
Papaya. Papaya.
Scoop out the orange papaya. It's tropical and sweet.
Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupes are orange and great for snacking.
Melon. Honeydew melon. Melon. Honeydew melon.
Honeydew melons are sweet.
Fig. Fig.
Figs have a unique, chewy texture.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Pomegranates are filled with juicy seeds.
Coconut. Coconut.
Coconuts are brown and have a hard shell.
Passion fruit. Passion fruit.
Passion fruits have a distinctive, aromatic flavor.
Apricot. Apricot.
Apricots are orange and have a rough skin.
Nectarine. Nectarine.
Nectarines are smooth-skinned and tasty.
Guava. Guava.
Guavas are green and have a distinct aroma.
Cranberry. Cranberry.
Cranberries are often used in sauces.
Persimmon. Persimmon.
Eat the orange persimmon. It's sweet and has a smooth texture.
Mandarin. Tangerine. Clementine. Mandarin. Tangerine. Clementine.
Mandarins are orange and great for snacking.
Pitaya. Pitahaya. Dragon fruit. Pitaya. Pitahaya. Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit is visually striking with its pink skin and white flesh.
Carambola. Star fruit. Carambola. Star fruit.
Star fruit has a unique star-like shape when sliced.
Lychee. Lychee.
Lychees are small, fragrant, and sweet.
Jackfruit. Jackfruit.
Jackfruit is a large, tropical fruit with a fibrous texture.
Date fruit. Date fruit.
Dates are sweet and often used in desserts.
Green olive. Green olive.
Olives are commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine.
Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant.
Blackcurrants are rich in vitamin C.
Mulberry. Mulberry.
Mulberries are sweet and come in various colors.
Gooseberry. Gooseberry.
Gooseberries are small and tart.